This is an exam question about transport in plants. It says figure 3.1 shows apparatus used to investigate transpiration, which is loss of water from the plants. So transpiration's loss of water from the aerial part of the plants, the leaves. So you can see we've got a leaf and shoot attached to rubber tubing, which is attached to a capillary tube. We've got the air-water meniscus here, a water reservoir, and a screw clip. And it says, with reference to figure 3.1, name the apparatus. So this apparatus is called a potometer. State what is measured about the apparatus, measured by the apparatus. So this is not actually measuring water lost by the plant, it's actually measuring water uptake, which is a very good estimate of water loss, but some of the water will be used in the plant for photosynthesis, so it's not a precise measurement. Final part of the question says state 3 precautions. So 3 precautions that should be taken when setting up this apparatus in order to ensure accurate results. So we want to avoid anything that's going to affect our results. So first thing we need to do is we cut the chute underwater. That prevents any air bubbles getting trapped in the xylem. So there's no air in xylem. We insert the chute underwater. Again, that's to avoid any trapped air or air entering the xylem. We dry the leaves. So that we'll ensure that that doesn't affect the diffusion of the water vapour out of the leaf. We ensure that all the joints are airtight. So the joints here, make sure they're airtight so there's no water loss through the joints. So we can use like something like Vaseline, the joints. We need to use a healthy leaf. Leaves under stress will close their stomata, which is then going to prevent any water loss. We need to make sure that we're keeping all the environmental conditions constant. So things like temperature in the air, the amount of light that the plant is receiving. We need to cut the stem at a slanted angle. Again, the stem cut at a slanted angle prevents any air bubbles getting trapped because they simply just move out from under the stem. And once we've set it up, we allow settling time before taking any measurements. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 possible marking points for this question. We need to make sure that we're stating 3 precautions to achieve the 3 marks.